Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to fix your internet speed problem in your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first friends, you can see if your Wi-Fi or internet speed is very low, you can just enable this aeroplane mode for a 10 second. So here you can see it is showing aeroplane mode. You have to enable it for 10 seconds. After that you have to turn it off. And now you can see you have to just simply tap on the settings, click on search, right here reset. Here it is reset options. Now scroll down, click on reset option. Here it will be showing reset mobile network settings. Tap on here, enable the password that is your default unlocking password. Click on it again and your network settings has been reset successfully. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.